It's Tyler with Turnage Motors. I have another car to show you. This is a 2020 Nissan Versa, one owner car. It's only got around 92,000 miles. And probably the best news on this one is it's got a brand new transmission in it. So if you know Nissans, you know they're great cars, but they often have some transmission trouble when you get close to around 100,000 miles. So you don't have to worry about that on this one. Brand new transmission from the dealer that we put in it at our shop. And as you can see, cosmetically, the car is near flawless. Paint's excellent. It actually had a wrap over the paint, so this paint hasn't had much sun exposure at all. It was a company vehicle. A couple little spots down there on the bumper. That's honestly about it. Beautiful paint. Interior, it's got cloth seats, backup camera, kind of got the two-tone look there. It's already running. You see the mileage there, 92,466. Got that fancy steering wheel. And it has push button start with that style key fob. Backup camera, nice screen in this car. It's clean, doesn't smell like smoke. Really, really good condition. Like I said, brand new transmission from Nissan. Car's in really good shape. You can find it on our website, and that's confidentcashcars.com. We're at 4637 Augusta Road in Lexington. 803-853-4300 is our phone number. Thank you.